Hi, this is Bob, All-Star Ford here in Denham Springs. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 2019 Ford Raptor. Now this is not your granddad's truck right here. This is for the truck enthusiast. It's part of the Ford Performance line, which means it's better than the average truck. It features mechanically 450 horsepower and 510 foot-pounds of torque, which means it's a bigger, better truck than you'll ever see anywhere else. It's got a 3.5 liter high output engine, and in addition to the power, it's got all the technology you'll ever need. Everything that's up to date with today's standards. Including your front cameras right here, adaptive cruise control, blind spot on the mirrors, lane detection assist, and come over here, I'll show you the inside real quick. 7-inch screen right here, Apple CarPlay, heated and cooled seats, more than just the average truck has. It's got a 10-speed transmission. You're going to get great fuel economy with it being a EcoBoost engine as well. Panoramic sunroof. You've got upfitter switches on the front, so if you do get off-road, again, it is four-wheel drive, so if you do get off-wheel drive, you can add a winch, you can add lights, anything you want to add to it to customize the vehicle any way you like it. One of my favorite features here, you'll notice it's got a one-touch release for the trunk, so if you've got a get in, all you do is touch it, or you can actually do it from your fob to release the tailgate. And all you got to do is release the tailgate step in, reach the step, pop it up, just like that. Ready for action. One thing you'll notice about the Raptor is it's going to have a shock. I'll show you the underneath here a little bit. We're not going to put it up on a lift or anything like that, but you'll see it does have Fox shocks. It has a better shock system than the average truck. You're going to get the better rims, the better tires. Comes pretty well fully loaded. Running boards, everything you need to go out on the trails, get out on the road, whether you hunt, fish, like to explore, like to trail ride, or just go to work. It's a truck that's going to make everybody else envious of you and want to be just like you.